So guys, we are now in Pennsylvania. We just passed New York and Pennsylvania border state line. Bridge ices before road. Looks like it was heavy snow yesterday or 2 days ago when we were here. But now the road is clear, Mom, which is good, right? Mom, do you agree? And then our destination, final destination for today, of course, Cleveland. And then it depends. I really want to visit a town called Geneva. It's only 6 minutes from the interstate. It's in Ohio State. Okay, so that's it for now. Until then, be safe.